Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to compute or how to calculate the volume of regular hexagonal pyramid. So ano nga po ba itong pyramid na ito? So this is an example of a regular hexagonal pyramid and this is the formula that can be used in calculating the volume of this pyramid. So ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-compute ng kanyang volume in step-by-step computation. Okay, so let's define first what is a regular hexagonal pyramid. It is a pyramid with regular hexagonal base and 6 isosceles triangular faces. So ito po yung ating example ng regular hexagonal pyramid. So notice here sa atin pong figure, yung kanyang base ay o yung base ng pyramid ay hexagon. Okay? So pag sinabi po nating hexagon, there are 6 sides. So i-count natin mula dito. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yung base po natin has 6 sides kaya ang tawag po ay hexagon or hexagonal. Ngayon, meron pong term ditong regular. Pag sinabi ulit po natin na regular, yung sides ng hexagon ay pare-pareho. Kaya po ang nakalagay po ditong variable ay lahat po ay A yung kanyang sides. That means, kapag pareho yung variable na ginamit, ibig sabihin, magkapareho po yung sukat. Okay. Since A po yung paikot dito sa ating hexagon, then, yung sides po niya ay pare-pareho. Kaya nga po tinawag na regular. Okay. So, this is regular hexagonal pyramid. So, sa ating pyramid, meron po tayong parts ng pyramid or part ng pyramid na ito po ay height. Ano po? So, yung edge po na ito, this is height. Yung height po ng pyramid ay mula po sa pinakang tuktok hanggang dito po sa may pinakang sentrong o gitna ng hexagon. Ito po yung kung paano kunin yung kanyang height. At ito po yung nilagyan ko po ng definition yung variable dito. A, the side of regular hexagonal base. Ito po yung kanyang sides. And h, the height of the pyramid is 1. And this is the formula. Mula po sa original formula ng volume ng pyramid, volume is equal to 1/3 base times height, ay nakapag-create po tayo ng volume for hexagonal or regular hexagonal pyramid. Ito po yon. So, pwede pong in a fraction form, pwede pong in decimal form yung formula. So, in fraction form, the volume of regular hexagonal pyramid is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 times A, where A is the side of the regular hexagon. So, A squared times the height of the pyramid. Or, in decimal, kung ayaw po nyo ng fraction, okay, volume is equal to 0.86 times A squared times h. So ito pong square root of 3 divided by 2 ay ginawa na pong decimal, 0.86. Okay? And then just multiply lang po yung side ng regular hexagon na base at yung kanyang height. Okay? So paano po ba ito gamitin in calculating examples or in calculating the volume of a regular hexagonal pyramid? Okay, so let's try example number 1. Find the volume of the following pyramid with regular hexagon as base. So ito po yung ating regular hexagonal pyramid. Okay? So yung ating pong base ay hexagon at yung sides po ng hexagon are all equal, then this is called regular hexagon. At ang na-form po, ito po ay pyramid. Ano po? Kaya po ang tawag dito ay regular hexagonal pyramid. Okay, given the sides of the hexagon, which is 3 meters, and then the height of the, what do you call this one, pyramid, that is 5 meters. So, mula po sa formula ng regular hexagonal pyramid, ito po ay in a form of fraction. So, pwede po itong gamitin. Ano po? So, if you're going to use this one, okay, pwede lang naman ito. Ano po? Ito, yung iba kasi ayaw nilang decimal, gusto nila fraction lang. So, pareho lang yan. Okay, so using the first formula, okay, the fraction 1, you're going to substitute A and then H. So, square root of 3 over 2, just copy, times, what is A? A is equal to 3, kaya 3, and then yung square, kaya 3 square po yan. Times H. H is the height of the hexagonal pyramid. So the height is 5 meters kaya times 5 meters. So how to simplify? Simplify mo natin itong may square, 3 square, bago i-multiply sa 5. So this become, if you simplify 3 square, that is equal to 9. Okay, just copy muna yung iba pang parts ng ating equation. And then, pwede pong i-multiply 9 times 5, that is equal to 45. Okay, so 45, yung maging sagot, pwede dito, pwede naman po yung 45 na nasa unahan ng square root kapag i-multiply na po natin. Okay, so again, yung 45 na nasa unahan ng square root of 3, ito po yung sagot dito sa 9 times 5. And then, always divide by 2. Okay, so ang unit po ng volume of pyramid ay cube. Kaya ito po ay cubic meter. Okay, how about kung decimal po yung gagamitin natin? Okay, ayaw po natin ng fraction. So, ganito lang po yon. So, 0.86 yung decimal. Then, the same process yung ginawa natin dito. Ang A po ay A side of the hexagon 3, kaya times 3. And then square, height is 5. Okay, kaya 5 po ito. So, the same way here, square natin yung 3 square will become 9. Okay, yun lang po na bago dito, 9. Then multiply times 45. Then after multiplying 9 times 5, multiply na po sa decimal. Okay, 0.86 times 45, that is equal to 37 or 38.7 cubic meter. Okay, so again, always kapag pyramid, ang unit po niya ay may cube. Okay, so 38.7 cubic meter is the volume of this pyramid. Okay, for number 2 question. Yung question number 2 po natin ay in a form of words. Okay, in a form of word problem. Ano po? Unlike sa example natin sa number 1, yun po ay in a form of figure. How about in a form of word? Paano po natin ito isosolve? Let's read. A hexagonal pyramid has a height of 12 feet and a base edge of 12 feet. Find its volume. So, ang hinahanap ng problem ay yung volume ng hexagonal pyramid. May height po siyang 12 feet at meron po siyang base edge na 6 feet. Okay, so hanapin natin yung volume. So, identify po natin yung given para mas madaling makita kaysa nandito po sa ating question. So, A is the measurement of the side of the base or the hexagonal base. Nakalagay po dito, base edge is 6 feet. Ibig sabihin, yung sides po ng regular hexagon ay 6 feet. Okay, and the height is 12 feet. Yung height po, ito po yung height ng pyramid. Okay, so to calculate using this given, okay, mula po dito sa ating formula, volume is equal to square root of 3 divided by 2 times A squared times h. So just substitute, A squared at h lang naman po yung ating sasubstitute. So for A is 6 and then for h is 12. So ganito po yun. So this become square root of 3 divided by 2 times, sabi ko kanina, ang A ay 6 kaya 6 square kasi may square po dito, and then times h. Ang h po dito ay 12, so times 12 here. So still, ang una pong gagawin natin is simplify yung may square. Okay? So what is 6 square? That is 36 because 6 times 6 is 36, and then copy times 12. So you can now multiply 36 times 12. So this will become 432. So ito po ang square root of 3 over 2. Kinokopya lang po muna yan po ba. Okay, so here, you can now divide 432 divided by 2. Okay, this will become, or pwede po nating, para mas malinaw, para di po kayo malito, yung 432, pwede pong idala dito sa unahan ng may square root. So, 432 is square root of 3 divided by 2. And then we can cancel 432 divided by 3, divided by 2, that is equal to 216. Okay? Square or square root of 3 and then cubic feet. So, ito na po yung volume ng problem na mayroon siyang height na 12 feet at mayroong base edge na 6 feet. Okay? That is how to use the formula in calculating the volume. Okay, so let's see how you understand the lesson. Try to answer this activity. Find the volume of the given pyramid below. So ito po yung ating pyramid at yung base po ng pyramid ay regular hexagon, and then the measurement of the side is equal to 3 meters. and the height of the pyramid is equal to 8 meters. So, try to calculate the volume of this pyramid. At baka pwede naman pong pa-share yung inyong sagot. Kung meron po, paki-comment po sa comment box para ma-share naman po ninyo sa amin kung ano po yung naging sagot ninyo. I-compare po natin sa sagot natin o sagot ng iba kung magkapareho po kayo ng nakuhang sagot. Salamat sa panood mga anak. Kung natuto ka at nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like. And then kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel, ay click na rin yung subscribe. So lahat po ng lesson or video lesson ng Grade 8 Matatag ay i-upload ko po dito sa ating channel.